we'll guide you through how to access Trello updates quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Trello website. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon or initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you want to select the option that says Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Trello account. Scroll down until you find the section titled Notifications or Updates. Here, you can adjust how you receive updates about Trello's latest features and improvements. Make sure that you have the option to receive email updates toggled on if you prefer getting notifications in your inbox. You can also check for updates directly on Trello by clicking the Help icon, usually represented by a question mark, near your profile. This will give you access to Trello's Help Center and community forums, where you can read about the latest changes and upcoming features. It's a good way to stay up to date with what's new and how it might affect your workflow. If you're a power user, consider bookmarking the Trello blog, which often provides in-depth announcements and tips for using new features effectively. That way, you're always in the loop without having to dig through multiple pages. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.